Hey, what's going on, everyone? This is Reggie Winston, and today I'm going to talk about another product from S-Curl. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing to this channel. Here we make barbers better. We do things with tools, products, or just casual conversations about how can we improve as an individual and as a whole industry together. So yeah, if barbering is your thing and wanting to be a better barber is your thing, yeah, hit that button down below this video, all right? So in today's video, man, we're going to talk about Luster's 360 style pomade. This pomade is what I consider the perfection of an old school traditional pomade. You know those things from back in the day, the Dax, the Murrays, the Sporting Waves, all those different pomades that were petroleum based. You rub it in your hair and it really holds your hair down, had a good hold, but after a week or so, you got a whole bunch of flakes in your hair. Well, this right here, this 360 pomade from S-Curl has perfected it. As you see, it says it has a firm hold, it's non-greasy, no buildup, rinses out easily with water. Another good thing about this product, it has shea butter in it. All right, we know how great shea butter makes the hair feel. It gives it a great shine and moisturizes the hair and the scalp. What I like about this product is it's so creamy. I'm gonna keep saying that, but trust me, if you use some other stuff in the past, you'll understand. Not only is it creamy, but it's tacky and it feels real. It has a really good hold to it. It's real tacky feeling. Like you can feel it as you spreading it over a person's hair. And for a waver, you want to get those connections. This is going to help you get those connections, all right? I think you get about 3 ounces of product in here, and it costs under $3. So not only is it inexpensive, but you got some high quality stuff in here. So this is a win if you're trying to get those waves and you're doing the woofing thing, or even after you get your hair cut, you want to make sure your hair is laid down and no frizzies. This is the way to go. This is the S-Curl 360 style. I'm gonna show you some footage of me actually using this product and how good it looks. It could take a dull haircut and really improve it and make it one of those competition winning fade with the, or taper and fade with the 360 wave haircuts. It's really going to help all those flyaways lay down. It's going to really absorb into the hair and on top of the scalp. Let's just make sure they put a lot of pride and a lot of research into developing their products and ensuring that you get the safest, cleanest, most advanced products. And you know, they just do a lot to really ensure that you get the best products to put on your hair at an affordable price. If you haven't already heard, Luster's was invented and started by a barber out of Chicago, Illinois. It's one of the few black-owned businesses out there, or it's one of the few black-owned grooming product businesses out there. They've been in business many years, survived the ups and downs of the industry, and continue to innovate and push out new and amazing products. They have a new line where they're using all natural products. They have worked on and improve old formulas of product. They're not just doing texturizers and curls anymore, but they actually have some really good products for any style that you're looking for. So yeah, this is the Luster 360 style pomade. You can get it for less than $3 at your local Walmart. You can order this stuff online or Amazon, or if you come by the barbershop, we should have some there as well. If you want those waves that's going to really shine, you want the non-greasy, non-waxy buildup. You want it to be soft. You want it to be able to wash out easily with water. And you want to spend less than $3. This is your product, all right? This is Reggie Winston. Again, thank you for giving me the opportunity to share this product with you. If you're a barber, check out Luster. Go reach out to someone at Luster. They have a really dope barber retail program. Like I said, it's made by a barber for barbers. So if you want to sell this and get that extra income at your barbershop, this will be a good product to put on the shelf, and it will sell. Thank y'all. Check me out on Instagram, Reggie Winston. Check me out on Facebook, and just say thank y'all for being a part of this community. This is another video showing y'all this really good S-Curl stuff. Peace out.